Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Let me tell you something about Manqoba Mngqithi. Manqoba Mngqithi is like a strawberry fruit. He's overrated for nothing. Yeah, it's like a strawberry fruit. Manqoba Mngqithi, if I can tell you, just look how they played in the first half. They are just this player who are fighting for the club. So we Ribeiro, they are just quality Themba Mshishi, class of their own. But Manqoba Mngqithi, if you can check, the writing is on the clock is fast ticking. The writing is on the wall. It is written, mene tekel Farisin, your days are numbered. And this player are acting as a catalyst, speeding up their reaction. Their loyalty lies with Rulani Mokwena. Their loyalty lies with someone who is not there. Their loyalty lies with the history. You know, they don't. Their loyalty is not with Manqoba Mngqithi. Why? Because they understand that Manqoba Mngqithi is just a present, but it's not the present continuous tense. Do you understand?
She said Pirates wins against small teams. She said his supporters are poor. She mentioned the whole starting lineup of Mamelodi Sundowns, of Mngqithi. Simo, I believe she failed Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't care who says what. Oh God, help me say the truth. Manqoba Mngqithi, Manqoba Mngqithi has failed Sundowns. Already lost 3 cups. 1 MTN 8. 2 Legends Cup. 3 Black Label Cup. No, they can say they didn't win Legends Cup, but you could see the starting lineup when they played. First in the morning when they played against Golden Arrows, they played with a DDC. You see our Ribeiro in there. You see Marcelo Allende, and you're gonna say you don't want the cup. Why not? They wanted it, my brother. They failed. But you know what I'm saying to Manqoba Mngqithi. I said this very same thing to Coach Rulani Mokwena. You are better as an assistant coach, my leader. We are talking about the Manqoba Mngqithi that came here and helped Peter Msimani to redeem this team. But now I don't know if that seat by setting or maybe he said by setting adolescent. Coach Manqoba, instead of him concentrating on his team, coaching the team and coming with the tactical ability to concentrate on the team, he is busy more worried about talking to the media. And I don't know, like I'm saying, it took me time to even comment about his utterances, his late utterances. You know, when Rulani was talking like this, we knew that is of a lesser age compared to Manqoba Mngqithi. We expected maturity. I mean, he was being sarcastic with us during the week. He was talking about the likes of Tito Maswangan without mentioning names. He was talking about Lebuhile Mufukeng without mentioning names. Being sarcastic and talking about showboating and talking about the net. I don't know if they didn't have a net when they were playing against Mngqithi, because he was talking about more about appreciating the net. I think Black Label Cup, Mamelodi Sundowns should file. They should sue Black Label to say why do they play them in a match or in a field that does not have the net, because that net in about the Mngqithi is not a net, because we know Manqoba Mngqithi's aim is to appreciate the net and make sure that he scores. But unfortunately, at their last game when they were playing against Mngqithi, they didn't have a net. And Manqoba Mngqithi, like I'm saying, because he's being stubborn, I won't lie about this. He was given an opportunity. Some of us spoke about this when the league started. Even before the league started, I said Sundowns would on a fella. Because he wanted to become himself. Until Sundowns management came to his senses, because I'm the only one who's able to go to offices without being invited. And I told you that until Sundowns got in and intervened to say, play the Rulani Mokwena's way, you understand, and squad. But unfortunately, it took him time and it costed them the MTN Cup. Stibo, it's one thing to lose, but it's another to lose without pride. It's another. Sundowns, even if they had lost this game, Rather, they had won with dignity, with shape, with creativity, with courage. You understand? But there was no creativity here. Some of us, we happen to be ahead of time. I told them they always say what they say. But everything that we say, and remember, on this game, I'm supporting Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
And I hope Manqoba Mngqithi learns from this and correct this, because we want our South African brothers to excel in their jobs. We don't want people to be fired. We want them to excel, but we need to tell them the truth. We didn't come here to be loved. We are not money. Some of us stopped wanting to be loved at the age of 10 because we realized the harsh realities of life. If a person to understand that you need to be authentic and say your own truth, then we'll never shy away from it. Manqoba Mngqithi, with all the resources here, is misusing them. But if he continues like this, he's gone.
So what do you think about Sundowns when maybe
Sundowns, there's nothing wrong here. There's all the resources at hand. It's just people's ego destroying this team.
However, it's 6 feet underground.
I don't know, but I don't see Manqoba Mngqithi coaching Sundowns with his arrogance.
with me.
Man of the match.
No, I saw half of the match. I think that guy was number 32. Yeah, these guys.
Oh,
Yeah. Manqoba Mngqithi would be good as an assistant coach. I think.
One time.
Yeah.
And Steve Compella.
No, by the way, let me say this. No, because I'm disturbing. Let me say this. I think Manqoba Mngqithi will break history. He's going to be the guy. He's going to be hired, and he will bring Jomo Cosmos back to the PSL. Let him continue like this and have this stubborn so. Uto Kocha Cosmos. I think they'll make a good team, Dr.
Combine their heads together.
Mina ngithi imessage eya kuManqoba angeke sikhuze kaningi, sikhuza kayi1 not kayi2 kwesi2 angeke kube mnandi makaphuma la ngizwile ngiyahlebela Thibosi okunye ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoba okunye ngikhipha information deep imfihlo deep ukuthi ukhuliso Mudawu uya ku wide. Hayi ngiyashela ngiyahlebela uManqoba wasemzimkhulu.
Yes.
Uzohamba ohlaba imbuzi ahlale nabakhayiki baphumule abuyele angeke abuye ku Sundowns.
These guys have become Eurocentric, and I always say it. They come with for close our Fakamo technical team, Flemingberg, over the Champions League, right? They've adopted what we call a Eurocentric approach to the game. And it's a European football. European football, you cannot just bring it into the system. It has to be gradual. Unfortunately, they changed a lot. In a short space of time. When you want to make changes in a team, you do it gradually, slowly. Unfortunately, Boba are patient. Manqoba is going to run out of the stadium.
There's no support the team.
Coach
maybe Sundowns
Manqoba also coach. Oh, all right, yeah, Mara.
Maybe Sundowns maybe Sundowns side TV. Ya go Ghana you.
Sorry man, oh, Manqoba is still coaching Mamelodi Sundowns. But I hope none.
Manqoba Erico correct. Manqoba ke coach ya Mamelodi Sundowns. Not still. Manqoba ke coach ya Rena. And Ramrata.